just gonna go right across the lash line.
Hey y'all, it's Addison and I'm here with this amazing makeup artist, Tori McConkey, who will be showing us how to achieve this 90s glam supermodel inspired look. We're gonna be using some of the products you might receive from my Glam Bag X collection.
Yes, let's do it.
And this is my item Tin Pan eyeshadow palette, which will have all the colors we need for this look. So go for it. Dive in.
Here we go. First, I'm gonna take Gimme and we're just gonna go right over her crease and lid. And I'm using a fluffy brush to this to really blend it out. We're just gonna go all over the lid.
These eyeshadows are so amazing because they're super blendable and easy to combine with other colors, and they all complement each other really well, but you can also use them separately.
After we do Gimme all over the lid, we're gonna go in with kind of a darker color. This is Go-To.
This is probably one of my favorite shades in the palette. It's just like a really good brown.
It's perfect, like rich brown. This is gonna be a little bit lower than the first one. We're gonna go from the crease down. So we don't wanna go above like we did for the other one. We're just gonna go right in the crease and on the lid. These colors are blending so well together. I'm obsessed with this item palette. Now we're gonna go in with this flat brush to really pick up the color in Two Please. This beautiful shimmery, like purpley dark brown up here. And we are gonna just tap it very lightly right on to her lid. And these colors are so pigmented that a little goes a long way, which I love. And we could even take the same sparkly Two Please. And we're gonna go right under the lash line. Just gonna smoke it out with the same flat brush. I'm gonna smoke out her eye just a little bit more with this black Stila Smudge Waterproof Eyeliner. This is a staple in my kit. I love it. Just to warm it up, I'm gonna just put a little in the back of my hand. And we're just gonna go right across the lash line. And you can be a little messy with this because we're gonna go back in with a brush after to really give it that smudge effect. I love this liner because it's super, super black and it's super intense, which really makes the eyes pop when you define it with them. I love it. And I'm gonna go in with an angled brush and we're just going to go right over the liner and kind of smoke it out. Kind of gives it that smudgy look that we're going for. Addison has the most perfect eyebrows, but just to set them, we're gonna go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. In the 90s, I feel like the supermodel brow was very bushy and bold, so we're just gonna brush these guys up just to kind of help create that 90s supermodel look. What I love about this product is that it has really good hold, but it doesn't make your brows like crunchy and hard throughout the day, which is awesome. I wanted to match the tones of the eyes with the lips, so we're going with this deep kind of burgundy lip to pull the whole look together.
Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed how to achieve this 90s glam supermodel inspired look that was using some of the products from my Glam Bag X collection. It will be available in February, so don't forget to get it and see what you get. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.